Hi everyone! Today we're going to make a sweet, soft, and delicious dessert. With simple ingredients and an easy method, let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. Instant pudding, mix 500 milliliters of water. To make the pudding, simply mix the powder with the prepared water and heat it over medium heat. For the topping, sugar, adjust to your taste, cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. Lastly, water. Making the topping is super easy too. Just mix everything in a saucepan, then heat it over low heat while stirring continuously to avoid burning. If all the ingredients are ready, let's move to the next step. Step 2. Making the pudding. Start by adding the instant pudding mix into a saucepan. Then, pour in the prepared water and heat it over medium heat. Stir it continuously for a few minutes. While making the pudding, let me tell you about caramel pudding. Pudding is a dessert made by boiling, steaming, or baking various ingredients. It has a soft, chewy, or creamy texture. Alright, back to the recipe. Once the pudding is ready, pour it into glasses to prepare for serving later. Use a medium-sized glass to resemble that of a famous restaurant. Pour carefully so that it doesn't spill and can fit in another glass. You can add other spices according to your taste. After that, we will make caramel for the top. Step 3. Making the caramel. First, let's make the caramel. Prepare a small saucepan, then add sugar. Add water and cook over low heat until the sugar dissolves and turns golden brown. Don't stir it too often. Just gently swirl the pan to prevent the sugar from clumping. Okay, now let's talk about the history of caramel pudding. Caramel pudding originated in Europe, particularly in France and England. It became popular during the medieval era. Here are some historical highlights. In France, caramel pudding is known as crème caramel and was a delicacy enjoyed in noble courts. In Spain, caramel pudding evolved into flan, which was later introduced to Latin America by Spanish colonists. In England, caramel pudding was made with simple ingredients. In Indonesia, caramel pudding adapted to local tastes, using ingredients like coconut milk or pandan. In Malaysia, caramel pudding was introduced by the Portuguese in the 16th century. In America, caramel pudding gained popularity in the 1980s. Caramel pudding became widely loved in the 19th and early 20th centuries due to advances in refrigeration technology and standardized recipes. Pudding also has many health benefits, including maintaining healthy bones and teeth, supporting digestion, boosting the immune system, helping with weight management, maintaining stable blood pressure, regulating blood sugar levels. Pudding can be made from various ingredients, such as gelatin, milk, and seaweed. Step 4. Serving. Our caramel pudding is ready. Here's how to serve it. Once the caramel is ready, immediately pour it over the pudding glasses prepared earlier. And here's the final result. Soft, sweet, and aromatic. This caramel pudding is sure to become a family favorite. You can refrigerate it for 2 to 3 hours to achieve a firmer texture. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes.